I am going to taking the topic about the Windows layout. In this Windows layout, this is the unit 5 Uid topic. And this topic is prototypes. A prototype is a simple, incomplete model or mock-up of a design. That means a prototype means it is simple. How we are going to create a project, what are the things we are going to do. Then a vehicle for explorations, communications, and evaluations. The purposes is to obtain user input in design and to provide feedback to designers. So who are all designing the projects? For that we have to provide some feedbacks now that they are seeing here. Then its major function is the communicative role in place, not accuracy or trueness. That means its major function is the communicative role it plays, not accuracy. Then prototype that enables a design to be better visualized and provides insights into how the software will look and how the software will be work. That and all we can enable by using the design. Okay. Then it also aids in defining task, their flow, the interface itself and its screens. A prototype is a simulation of an actual system that can be quickly created. These are all the processes going on in the prototype. By using the prototype, we can easily look out into the software, so how it is working, how the process is going on there, then how we are going to design a project, what are the simulations are given in that system. Like that, we can easily quickly create it and we can develop that project easily. Then next one is hand sketches and scenario. That means first of all it is simplest. The prototype is a low fidelity through rough hand drawn sketch or mock up of the screens. Then this can start early in the design process before any attempt is made to create a prototype using a available toolkit. What are the toolkits are used in this project? How we are going to design that process like that. Interface means the communications. The user can creating the project, who developing that project, who are designing that they can think that how we are going to design it, what are the tools we have needed, like that we have thinking. Then likewise, what are the advantages? That means can be used very earlier in the development process. Then suited for used by entire design teams. No large investments. That means time and cost. No programming skills will be needed. Easily portable, fast to modify and iterate. That means it is easily portable, fast to modify and iterate. These are all the advantages. The sketch creation process. That means it is a sequence of sketches or screen layouts that reflect an interactions. That means the screens while determining the source, screen information, that content and structure of the individual screens and the overall flow of the screens. That is the sketch creation process. Interactive paper prototype. That means another simple way is low fidelity prototype that involves use of common office supplies such as post, IT notes, then the markers, then scissors. In menu bar, down menus, pop-up windows, screen bodies, and so on, reflecting the system tasks are created using these medias. Then kinds of test. That means a test is usually formal. It is created and applied intentionally and with a purpose. That means it is usually based upon the some kind of criteria and understanding what the good result would be. A test is usually comprised of one or more of the following elements. That means observe, compare, listen, and measure. These are all the kinds of test. How likewise we are going to be tested. First we have observing the project. That means how the project they had created, what are the things they had included in that. Then we are comparing what are the comparisons with the previous reference, and then now they currently they had built. Then listening what the process is going on in that project like that. Then they will calculate the measures, how it works like that, they will be listed. That means observe means most test includes some form of observations. It watches the users perform task, evaluator or inspectors reviewing or evaluating the aspects of the system. Compare means interface is compared with standards, guidelines and or usability requirements. It may also be compared with the evaluators' knowledge and experience concerning. The user often is asked to provide comments or opinions concerning the usability of the interface. Measures may be taken to ascertain how well the interface compiles, then time to complete a task, or number of errors are corrected. Then case study of information search. That information search means user performs better and have better contentment when they can view and control the search. Database query has provided sustained amount to help in the human computer interfaces. That means formulation, initiation of actions, limit of result, refinement, use. How they are formulating, the expressing the search, launching the search, reading messages, formulating the next step, compiling or disseminating insights. Then multimedia documents, that is images, map search, design or diagram searches, sound search, video search and animation search. These are all the processes done on the multimedia document search. Thank you.